Sembut Menteri Rangba ke jela ba Preston Tensong nek sngi ulai thu bak sorkar jela dang hakini ki khniat sngi kala lumi ke jingelang menyeperkhat halor ke jing kyndang jong ke sorkar Assam ya kibashah be an ha katu ke jela yo bakini ki breu kerman rung sha ke jela Meghalaya nagaliang ba Tensong ulai thu ba sorkar kala bthah ya ke Director General of Police ba dia baro ki Borsan Shar District bat ki Superintendent of Police bakin Peitngor bha bat budin ya ki no ki jingwan rung be an sha ki jela habai dei halor uput usam nagaliang uba Preston ulaong bak sorkar Meghalaya menta kadang ap ke jubab nak sorkar Assam habai dei ke jing bu por menyapen be ya uput usam ulapan pau biang bak jela Meghalaya kala depha ke jing kerpat syak sorkar Assam banbu ya katarik menya kendu bat kumba kalong menta kadang ap ke jubab nak sorkar Assam.
In fact, we already had a meeting with all the concerned department. We have already instructed the DGP and also all the concerned district administration and the SPs to be more vigilant in case if there is any kind of influx through Assam or if there is any kind of trying to enter the state of Meghalaya. We have already alerted and we have already instructed also to all the district administration, both DC and the SP.
Any detection till now?
Till today, no information yet. We are yet to get any information, and we will update you if you have any detection. If we get any detection, I think, as I said, we will come back.
Lastly, on the border talks, of course, a few incidents after the incident. So, what is the status now?
Well, the status right now, in fact, we are waiting the date from our counterpart, because as I said to you, from Assam side they have 3-4 chairmen of different location. So whereas this side we have in the West Kasil side where Bakpol Limdo is the chairman, and then the Riboy side and Block 2 I am the chairman, and Jantia Hills side and Block 1 is SDR is Deputy CM is the chairman. So ultimately, as I said to you, we have already we have already requested our counterpart to fix the date which is convenient to both. So let us wait and see whether the date is available or not for them, because I've already told you once. I think almost all parties, even all MLAs, all ministers, it seems they are also busy preparing for the next general election, which is to be held in Assam next year.